Good morning, teacher. Good morning, student. I am your maths teacher. This is the fourth day of your maths. I am continuing your chapter 1, number up to 1000. In the previous class, you have learned about increasing order, arranging the number in increasing order, and arranging the number in decreasing order. In this class, now I am going to tell you about before number. What is before number? Suppose for explaining this, I am writing counting. Suppose I am writing counting from 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. In this, if we want the before number of 25, suppose I want the before number of 25. So I am writing here 25. Now we see which number come before 25. So which number is coming before 25? It is 24. Let us take one more example in this series only. Which number comes before 30? So I am writing here 30. Which number comes before 30? Which number comes before 30? So which number is coming before 30? It is 29. I am writing some more counting for you. Suppose 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So in this series, let us take which number comes before 38. Suppose I am taking the number 38. So which number comes before 38? So which number is coming before 38? It is 37. Now which number comes before 41? Suppose I am taking another number 41. So which number is coming before 41? It is 40. Now I am taking one more example for this. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Now which number comes before 72? So which number comes before 72? So which number comes before 72? Which number comes before 72? Which number is coming before 72? It is 71. Suppose take one more example. Which number comes before 69? Which number is coming before 69? It is 68. So the number which are coming before the particular number, then it is a before number. After before number, I am going to explain you about after number. What is after number? The number which is coming after that a particular number. Suppose for example this, for explaining this also I am writing some numbers. Suppose 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72 and 73. For explaining you only I am writing this counting, so it will be easy for you to understand. Suppose after, which number comes after 68? I am choosing a number 6868. So which number is coming after 68? After means this number. Which number is coming after 68? It is 69. So you will write 69 in this box. Now suppose I am taking one more example. Which number is coming after 72? I am writing here 72. So which number is coming after 72? After 72 it is 73. For clearing your concept of after and before, I am writing one more series of counting. Suppose it is 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 and 85. Now which number comes after 80? Now I am choosing a number 80. So which number comes after 80? After 80. So it is 81. Now again I am choosing number 83. So which number comes after 83? Which number is coming after 83? It is 84. So you will write here 84. Now if we take one more series of counting, suppose I am taking 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. In this I will explain after and before combining. Suppose I am choosing a number 26. Suppose I have chosen a number 26 in this series. If anybody asks you which number comes after 26, now which number is coming after 26? So tell which number is coming after 26. Which number is coming after 26? It is 27. Now here it is 26. Which number is coming before 26? Which number is coming before 26? It is 25. So again, for explaining this, I am taking one more series of counting for you. Suppose I am taking from 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 and 89. In this, if I select a number such as 82, I have selected 82. Now I have selected 83. So which number comes after 83 and which number comes before 83? So which number is coming after 83? Which number is coming after 83? It is 84. So we will write here 84. So which number is coming before 83? Before 83 it is 82. So the number coming after is known as after number, and the number just coming before that number is known as the before number. So it is clear for you. Now I will explain the between number. Between number means the number which is coming in the middle of the two number. Between number. Between number means the number which is coming in the middle of the two number. Suppose for explaining this also I am writing some numbers 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Now suppose I have written a number 47 dash 49. Everybody knows counting 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So which number comes between 47 and 49? So which number is coming between 47 and 49? Which number is coming? This is 47 and this is 49. So which number is coming in between 47? It is 48. So we will write here 48. Now take one more example. I am writing counting from 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So which number, now I am taking which number comes before 24 and 26? 24 and 26. Now where is 24? This is 24, this is 26. So which number is coming between, in middle of these two number? Which number is coming? It is 25. So I will write here 25. Now one more thing I want to tell, the between number, it is also similar to that after number. If you see this number 24, which number comes after 24? It is 25. And which number comes before 26? It is 25. So between number means combination of after and before. The number which comes after 24 and the number which comes before 26, it is known as the between number. So I will take one more example to explain you. It is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now let us take one example, 37 and 39. So which number comes between 37 and 39? Where is 37? This is 37, and with 39, this is 39. So which number is coming in between 37 and 39? It is 38. Thank you, student, for this class. I hope you all have understood this. Have a nice day. Thank you.